Hey and welcome to Module 3. In Module 2, you build the core building blocks: endpoints, request bodies, response models, error handling. Now we go up a level. In this module, we are going to learn how to structure a growing FastAPI application properly. And it starts with one of the most useful features FastAPI has: dependency injection. Let's get into it. Look at current three endpoints on screen: ingestion, query, and config. Every single one starts with the exact same three blocks: API key, check database connection, model client initialization. 10 lines of setup code copied 3 times. Now imagine he had 5 more endpoints. That's the same 10 lines in 8 places. Change the authentication logic, update it in 8 places. Miss one, the endpoint is now broken. This is exactly the kind of problem dependency injection was designed to solve. The idea is simple. Instead of writing setup code inside every endpoint, you extract it into a separate function, a dependency. FastAPI calls that function automatically before your endpoints runs. Look at the two examples. Without dependency injection, the authorization check lives inside the endpoint function, 8 lines before we even get into the actual logic. With dependency injection, it's one line. Depends, verify API key. The setup is completely gone from the endpoint. Your function only does what it is supposed to do. Here's how depends works in practice. You write verify API key as regular Python function. It reads the X API key header, checks it against the expected values, raise a 401 if it's wrong, and returns the key if it's valid. Then in any endpoint that needs authorization, you add API key string equals to you add API key depends verify API key as a parameter. FastAPI sees that, runs verify API key first, and then passes the result in. Look at /documents and /ask at the bottom. Both are now protected with one line each. Authorization logic lives in one place. Both endpoints benefit from it automatically. Now, here are the 3 dependencies Karan will actually use throughout his RAG API. First, the authorization check we just saw. Now, reading from setting instead of hard-coded string, which is how you do it in production. Second, the database session. Notice it uses yield instead of return. That means it opens the session, hands it to the endpoint, and then closes it cleanly after the request finishes. We cover yield dependencies in detail in the next video. Third, LLM client. One line that returns an initialized OpenAI client using the API key from the settings. Each of these is written once and injected everywhere. So, this slide shows exactly why dependency injection matters for AI backends. Look at the left side. No dependency injection. Every endpoint reinitializes everything from scratch. Validate API key, create a DB session, and the vector store. Every endpoint reinitializes everything from scratch. Validate the API key, create a DB session, init the vector store, init the LLM client, load the config. 5 steps before any business logic runs. Wasteful, error-prone, and a nightmare to test. Now look at the right side. With dependency injection, all 5 of those are shared dependencies created once. Every endpoint just declares what it needs and uses it. The flow diagram at the bottom captures it perfectly. Your config feeds a dependency container. Dependencies are created once, injected into endpoints, and your endpoints stay focused entirely on business logic. That's the architecture you want. So, a quick recap: dependency injection means you write shared logic once and inject it where needed. FastAPI's depends function handles everything. It runs your dependency before the endpoint and passes the result in automatically. In AI backends, this matters a lot because every endpoint needs authorization, database access, and model clients. With dependency injection, all of that lives in one place. Your endpoints stay focused. In the next video, we go deeper. Dependencies with yield. That's how you handle setup and clean up properly for database sessions and external clients. See you there.